Building an indie business in the center of venture capital. I am Alex Edmonds. People on the internet call me Supreme Rumham, and this is the Building an Indie Business podcast recorded in the Indie Business Studio. Okay, today I want to discuss wannadog.com. I'm going to be discussing what I plan to do with it because I'm not just going to sell it anymore. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so what I am doing with wannadog.com is I am turning it into a dropshipping store for dog products. And the reason why I want to do this is I want to test out a few things. First, I want to test out taking an existing domain and optimizing it for SEO and seeing if that helps to drive traffic. So basically, I want to know if I can take pretty much any existing expired domain that I've purchased and getting traffic for it. And then the next thing I want to do is I want to test out what's the word I'm looking for? Oh yeah, I want to test out if what do I want to test out? So wannadog.com does not have many backlinks, and I've been reading a lot about backlinks, and like I know some SEOs, they no longer have backlink strategies. They just do content, and they do content, and they do content, and they don't worry about like getting high value domains to backlink to their website. So it only has about like 10 backlinks. The domain authority right now, according to Ahrefs, is like 2, right? So I want to see if what I can do is just create pages, and if those pages will eventually, get traffic. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the website. I'm going to start out with 10 products. 10 products that when you search those things on Google, there's not a lot of traffic to those search phrases. I'm doing between 100 and 500. Anything that's more than 500, I'm not messing with, just to see if I can get the ball rolling in terms of traffic. Like, can I get them to rank really quickly, like in the first 6 months? Yeah. So then I'm going to start building up from there. I'm going to do over 500, 500 to 1,000. And then I'm going to do 1,000 to, maybe 5,000. And just go from there. Go up and up and up. And see if that helps without building any backlinks. I'm just creating pages and I'm optimizing the content from there. And then I'm trying to see if that will work, because I don't want to do any like outreach marketing or what other types of marketing are there? Oh yeah, social media. I just want to do content and SEO, maybe email marketing too. No, I definitely will be doing email marketing because that's not a lot of work for me. I just hate talking to people, so I don't want to do that. So yeah, I want to see if I can successfully run an e-commerce store, just doing, SEO and email marketing. And then this is also an experiment for me in terms of drop shipping and learning how drop shipping works. Because, as you know, my first experience with e-commerce is in drop shipping, but not in this way. I used to create products on Zazzle and Redbubble, and I made money through that. But this type of drop shipping where I have to find a supplier, find the right product, choose my price, and go from there, that's very different. So that will be a new experiment for me. And then if this is successful, I can take it and I could, create another store, create a store for cat products, wantacat.com. And then if that strategy is successful, especially with the domain and getting traffic, I can just keep repeating this process and then, create a network of successful e-commerce stores, right? And then I could do whatever I want. So that sounds cool. It sounds cool to me. So yeah, that's all I have for this episode. I'm in the process of creating the store. So right now where I'm at is I have created the store on Shopify. I have found the products that I want to, the first 10 products. The next thing I need to do is I need to write the product descriptions for all 10 of the products. Here, I have a list, so let me go through that. Okay. I have to write the product descriptions, add the domain. I haven't done that. I need to optimize the collection pages. I need to create the homepage. I need to do a podcast episode about it, which I'm doing right now. I need to create the branding. I've created the logo, but I need to do the other branding for the store. I need to add everything to Google Search Console, add everything to Google Shopping, add Ahrefs, add to Bing, add to Shopify. No, not Shopify. Bing Shopping. Because I want to see if I can start out on Bing and go from there. So yeah, I'm recording this episode on April 17th. So hopefully by June, I will be ready to launch the store and see if that works. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye.